Hello everybody, this is Denim Darlin and today I am doing an unboxing video. I've been eyeing these boots for a while and I decided to finally get them before they're gone. You're probably wondering why that box was so big, but I ordered these off of eBay. They are only available in Europe right now. They are not available in the US. I haven't seen these boots in person, but they look gorgeous and the details look amazing. So I'm excited to finally hold them. Now let's see if the description is accurate, because you know on eBay sometimes you buy something and it's not exactly what it says it is. But these, it says they're brand new, unworn. So let's check them out. Ta-da! This is the 8-inch winter mock. It is model number 3424. When it was on sale in the US, it retailed for $379.99. And I got them from this eBayer for $200. They do look brand new. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, this leather is really nice. This is Black Boundary leather. The sole is a polyurethane traction tread sole, and it says that this sole doesn't harden in cold weather, so I guess that makes them perfect for winter. And this is the same sole that's available in all women's mocks. Oh, how pretty. Oh my goodness. So the details on these boots is really, really nice. You know what? Let me take the other one out really quick and then I'll show you. These are the cotton boot bags that come with all Red Wing Heritage women's line purchases. I am very, very happy with this transaction. The boots look like they are brand new. They are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so these boots, I was a little confused because some images showed them with the Taslan laces, some images showed them with leather laces, and I wasn't sure what the heck I was going to get, but it turns out they come with 2 pairs of laces. So this is already a really, really neat surprise. Not used to the women's boots coming with 2 pairs of laces. My boyfriend has a couple pairs of boots that came with more than 1 pair of laces, leather and Taslan, but I've never had one. So this is so awesome. I love this. I love this a lot. And I'll show these up close shortly. Oh, and this normally comes inside of the men's line of Red Wing boots. It shows you who they were inspected by. It usually shows a name and it shows that this is proof that they passed the quality check, but I've never seen these in a pair of women's boots. So I'm wondering if this was made in the men's factory. But there it is. It says inspected by Nadine 080566. I have personally examined every detail of the shoe to make sure it meets our high quality standards. Thank you for buying our product. Pretty cool. And something else that I read about these, which I think is really neat, is that they come with a removable insole. So this is like the 1907. The 1907 comes with 2 pairs of laces and it comes with a removable insole. And again, I've never experienced this in the women's line, but there it is. This is a leather cover. This is foam. It's like, feels like rubber. One of the descriptions I was reading, the Stockholm description, it says it's foam, but it does feel like rubber. It's very nice. There it is. And let's see. Inside, It's supposed to be the Poron Texan sole that I always talk about. You see that? It's supposed to be soft. Let me feel it. And it is. So maybe the description was off, but this feels like foam underneath my fingers right now, and then this part feels like rubber. Anyway, so these are 8 inches. The eyelets and speed hooks on the 8-inch mock, winter mock, are made out of brass. And I don't know if you can see the color, the tone, but these are very pretty detail. And the lining inside of these boots is felt. Felt is wool, so it's like wool fiber interlocked together. It's supposed to be very durable, and these boots are supposed to be very, very warm. Oh, this leather feels so nice. It feels a little bit different than my other Black Boundary leather. It feels a little more luxurious. I really like it. This is very, very nice. And I ordered my usual size 6. I'm usually a 6 in the Mottos, 6.5 in the Iron Rangers, and 6.5 in the Silversmiths. But these I did order a size 6 in. I'm curious to know if they're gonna fit right or if they're gonna fit snug. A little worried because of the felt and the extra insole. So let me try them on really quick and let y'all know. Let's see how easy it is to put this thing back in there. It's a little bit sticky. There we go. Okay, that was easy enough. This sticker was also in there. Okay, so let's see. And before I try them on, let me make sure these boots match. Okay, both of these boots were made November 2017. They have the same serial number, so yes, they are a pair. And if you're wondering what the heck I'm looking at, I am looking at this. So on every Red Wing boot, it shows you the model number or style number. This is 3424. There's a serial number. There is the date that they were made, 11/2017. There it is. Puritan triple stitch in the high stress areas of the boot. 360-degree Goodyear welt. The stitching goes all the way around the boot, and this makes it easy to resole these boots so they can last you a lifetime. They have a gusseted tongue, so the tongue is closed pretty high up, and that prevents moisture from getting in. Okay, without further ado, let me try these boots on. Let's do this. Let's see. Okay. Oh, yes. Let's see. They feel perfect. They are definitely the right fit. So these run true to size. I got these again in a size 6, and they fit me like they should. They just feel perfect on my feet, like they were made for me. And they feel very comfortable, very soft. I have the 877. I have the men's 8-inch in Oro Legacy leather, and those boots feel stiff as heck compared to these. These already feel softer. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, everybody. So again, model number 3424, the 8-inch winter mock, the women's Red Wing Heritage line. I haven't seen any US retailers carrying these anymore, and they are no longer on the Red Wing Heritage Women's website. But I have seen a few more pairs on eBay, and again, if you live in Europe, I've seen these available in Europe. I don't know if it's a boot that Red Wing Heritage Women is going to bring back out for women. I know that with the pandemic, it seems like a lot of the boots are unavailable in a lot of different sizes, and so I'm hoping that once things get better, they're able to bring more boots back for us. Thank you for watching. This is Denim Darlin, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I plan on posting more videos that I hope you'll find of value. Take care and thank you very much.